This is the 2026 Volvo XC90, and at first glance, it's clear that Volvo isn't chasing trends, it's refining its own identity. Calm, confident, and unmistakably Scandinavian, this SUV emphasizes quiet luxury with a modern twist. Let's break it down, starting at the front and working our way around. At the front, the XC90 has a familiar yet sharper look. Volvo's signature grille remains upright and commanding, framed by a cleaner frame that gives the SUV a more premium and architectural look. The Thor's Hammer LED headlights are slimmer and more technological than before, emphasizing width and precision. The lighting signature feels calmer yet more sophisticated, perfectly in keeping with Volvo's minimalist philosophy. The lower bumper design is sculpted yet restrained, with subtle air intakes that prioritize elegance over aggression. From the side, the XC90's proportions speak volumes. It's a large SUV, but it doesn't feel bulky or heavy. The long shoulder line flows smoothly from the headlights to the taillights, creating a sense of balance and movement. The window lines remain clean and open, reinforcing the airy Scandinavian feel, while large multi-spoke alloy wheels add just enough visual weight to balance the design. Subtle chrome accents and flush detailing enhance the premium feel without being too eye-catching. At the rear, Volvo emphasizes its identity. The instantly recognizable vertical LED taillights are now connected by a clean, horizontal light bar that visually widens the vehicle. The tailgate design is simple and clean, with the Volvo logo stretching confidently across the rear. The lower bumper integrates dark trim and subtle exhaust surrounds, maintaining an elegant rather than sporty feel. This is a rear end designed to look timeless, not trendy. Under the hood, the 2026 XC90 will continue Volvo's electrification strategy. Mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains are its mainstays, prioritizing smooth power delivery, strong low-end torque, and impressive efficiency. This SUV isn't about aggressive acceleration, it's about effortless performance, a comfortable ride, and calm confidence on long journeys. Climb inside, and this is where the XC90 truly shines. The cabin feels like a Scandinavian lounge on wheels. Soft-touch materials, layered textures, and natural wood trim create a calm and comfortable atmosphere. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, dominated by a large portrait-style touchscreen that handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The digital displays are clear and intuitive, while the minimalist button layout minimizes visual clutter. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel even more spacious. The seats are plush and ergonomically shaped, clearly designed for long-distance comfort rather than aggressive bolstering. And that's what truly defines the 2026 XC90. It's not designed to impress with flashy styling or aggressive performance figures. Instead, it captivates you with a balance, sophistication, and a sense of calm that's increasingly rare in the luxury SUV segment. If this is the direction Volvo continues to take, the XC90 remains one of the most mature and intelligently designed luxury SUVs you can buy. Let me know what you think of the 2026 XC90 in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth automotive reviews.